We talk about how the opposition BJP seems saying that this arrest was much awaited, although it did not happen in Ghosh's alleged role when they have been talking about the alleged cover-up of the rape and murder of the trainee doctor.
দেখুন এই গ্রেফতারি বহু কাঙ্ক্ষিত গ্রেফতারি ছিল, কিন্তু আমি যেটা আগেই আশঙ্কা প্রকাশ করেছিলাম যে খুনের মামলায় ইনি গ্রেফতার হবেন কিনা জানি না, কিন্তু করাপশনের মামলায় অবশ্যই ইনি গ্রেফতার হবেন এবং সেটাই দেখা গেল। করাপশনের মামলায় ডক্টর সন্দীপ ঘোষ গ্রেফতার হয়েছে, কিন্তু যাই হোক নাইমামার থেকে কারামামা হলো। গ্রেফতারিটা খুব দরকার ছিল, বাংলার মানুষের কাঙ্ক্ষিত গ্রেফতারি।
When it comes to the said financial irregularities and when it comes to the situation that led to the arrest of Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, the former principal of the RGKar Medical College and Hospital, let's in the meantime take you. What have been the charges that have been raised by the former Deputy Superintendent Akhtar Ali, saying that there were illegal sale of at least unclaimed corpses, the bodies there that were not claimed by anyone, trafficking of biomedical waste that was happening, passing tenders against the commission that was taking place, taking commission from suppliers, that was a practice that was taking place. Students were forced to pay to pass examinations. This is a serious allegation that has been raised by the former Deputy Superintendent. So what exactly that has been talking about as far as when it comes to the situation and the circumstances that led to the arrest of Dr. Sandeep Ghosh? And this is coming at a time for multiple days that he's been questioned by the central agency, but he has been also in the dock as far as when it comes to the rape and murder of the trainee doctor is concerned.
I am the future that was born 100 years ago. I am the purpose that emerged with India's independence, to be a force for business that takes India to the world and the world to India, creating pathways of self-reliance, to stand for progress, the planet and the people, towards a future made perfect, and be a force creating abundance, because independence is not a moment in history, it's a never-ending path to prosperity. Aditya Birla Group, a force for good.